Hello and welcome to another video by Kat Scrappiness. Today we're introducing a brand new tool we think you're going to love. It's called the Embellishment Pickup and Die Poker Tool. Hi everyone, it's Janet and welcome to my craft room. Today I'm here for Kat Scrappiness to introduce you to a fantastic new tool now available at their store. It's an embellishment pickup and die poker tool, and it has many uses in our craft room. This stunning white glitter dual-ended tool features a white wax tip at one end and a craft pick and die poker on the other end. In the middle you will find this gorgeous white glitter, almost crystal-like center. This tool is as beautiful as it is handy. Now each end is capped for safety and convenience, and you can tell which end is which by looking at the tip covers. These covers are interchangeable. I have mine set so that the end with the tiny black dot, and I think you can make that out there, that indicates to me that that's the poker end. The larger black dot, which is actually quite significantly larger than the other dot, signifies the wax tool. You can set it with either end or either cover, but if you consistently use the same end, you'll always know which cover to remove for each tool. Now this tool works great as a companion to the Kat Scrappiness funnel trays or triangle embellishment trays to keep your embellishments nice and tidy. Now let's take a closer look at the tips and how to use them. This is the wax tip, and you can use it to pick up embellishments and place them on their project. And this can be used for all sorts of different types of embellishments. So here I'm going to show you how I pick up a gem, and I'm going to put that right into the glue. And then I'm also going to pick up a clay embellishment and put that in there. And it will also pick up things like sequins and beads. It can also be used to pick up paper pieces. So, for example, I'm going to pick up this piece of paper, and then I'm going to place this small arrow to paper piece this. It's a lot easier to pick it up that way, and you don't have to struggle with it. Now I have a few tips to extend the life of your wax tip. First, try not to touch it to your fingers, as oil from your hands will decrease the stickiness over time. Please also use care when pressing down on your embellishments. The white tip is real wax and can break if used with too much pressure. However, should you need a new tip after long use, replacement wax tips will be available and sold separately soon. Now let's take a look at the die poker tool. You can use it to help place enamel dots such as these. The poker end will fit underneath, and you can release it from the paper and stick it on your projects. Very convenient. You can also use it to hold down embellishments and glue while they set. To use it as a die picker, simply poke it through the hole in your dies to release the paper. Here I have a little arrow that is stuck, and if I just poke it like so, it comes right out. You can also use it to poke holes in paper so that you can attach brads or even poke patterns that can be sewn with embroidery thread. See the nice hole that made? This new tool is sure to become a favorite on your craft table. You can get yours by clicking on the link in this video's description. I know you'll love using this functional tool that really is as useful as it is pretty. Be sure to return to this channel again soon for more product introductions. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell below. That way you'll be notified when the next video is published. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful crafty day. Bye-bye.